The New Caledonian Crow. These crafty characters have many ingenious ways of finding a meal. Even the rotting trunks of candlenut trees contain hidden treasures. It just takes a bit of know-how to find them. A fat and juicy longhorn beetle larva. To capture the crow's ingenious hunting skills, a spy grub is concealed in the rotten wood. The crow's keen vision soon pinpoints the real larvae, but it won't be easy to reach. However, this is a bird with a plan. She selects a tool of the perfect length. Under Spy Crow's watchful eye, she probes deep into the hole. Dexterously aiming for the larva's jaws. Its bite seals its fate. The crow disarms the larva by removing its powerful jaws. The grubs are so large and nutritious, a few a day is all she needs.